Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an avid Depop user, you know how crucial it is to keep your shipping address up to date, especially with the latest updates in 2025 that make shopping even smoother. Whether you've moved houses or simply made a typo, changing your shipping address is a quick process that can save you from delivery headaches. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps step by step, so you can get it done in under a minute. First off, make sure your Depop app is fully updated. Head to your App Store, search for Depop, and hit Update if needed. The 2025 version includes some handy new features for address management. Step 1. Open the Depop app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually in the bottom right corner, and tap it. Step 2. In your profile, scroll down and tap on the Settings gear icon or the Settings option. This is where all your account details are managed. Step 3. Look for the Shipping and Delivery section. It's more prominent in the 2025 update. Tap on it to access your saved addresses. Step 4. You'll see your current shipping address listed. Tap the Edit button next to it. Now, you can update the fields like street name, city, state, zip code, and country. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any mix-ups. Step 5. Once you've made your changes, hit the Save or Confirm button. Depop might prompt you to verify the update via email or a quick code for security reasons. Step 6. To make sure it worked, go back to your profile and check if the new address is displayed correctly. You're all set. A quick tip. If you shop frequently, take advantage of Depop's new multi-address feature in 2025 to save a few options and switch easily. That's it for this tutorial. Super simple, right? If you found this helpful, give the video a like. Subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.